Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. In this very short video, I just wanted to show you something we tried different in our garden this year. We put potatoes in pots, and the reason why we did is because it's so much easier to just dump the pot out, and then you can fish through and get the potatoes. In the past, we put them in the ground, and a lot of times we'll accidentally cut them with a shovel, or we can't find them. So this is a wonderful way as an option to try it. The potatoes are a little bit smaller. I don't know if it's because we put them in containers or if it's because we planted them later in the season. But it's so easy to get the potatoes this way. So much easier than trying to dig them up and find them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.